morning, students. Today I will say some problems. I will teach some problems. Before theorems, you would have seen. Once you take note for that, and in this problem, note before note is there, no? Note 1, note 2. That all you will be used in this problem. So you see the problem. First problem. If S is the circumcenter of triangle ABC for PQR acting at S along SA, SB, SC are in equilibrium, prove that P is to Q is to R is equal to A square of B square plus C square minus A square is to B square in B square of A square plus C square minus B square is to C square of A square plus B square minus C square. Note 2 will be useful for this. See first what they have given. If S is circumcenter of triangle ABC. First you see the diagram for this. See for triangle ABC. Hmm? For if S is the circumcenter, S is the circumcenter. PQ are acting at S. So PQR acting along SA, SB, SC are in equilibrium. See area of triangle what half BH. So here what for circumcenter for triangle ABC means here S is the center and for triangle AB circumcenter means 2A, 2B, 2C we are taking. We have to prove P is to Q is to R here is equal to A square of B square plus C square minus A square is to B square of B square of A square plus C square minus B square is to C square of A square plus B square minus C square. You see the proof. Given that the force P, Q, R are in equilibrium, then by Lamis theorem, what Lamis theorem I have said before, P by sine of angle BSC, sine of angle BSC is equal to Q by sine of angle CSA is equal to R divided by sine of angle ASB. Next you see here is a sine angle BSC what ma 2A. For angle BSC what you see here in diagram, you see for angle BSC sine 2A, for CSA 2B, and for ASB 2C. So see sin 2A formula what ma 2 sin A cos A. So what you are doing, P by 2 sin A cos A is equal to Q by 2 sin B cos B is equal to R by 2 sin C cos C. Since A by this is one result ma, A by sin A is equal to 2R, and the sin A is equal to what we will get, sin A is equal to A by 2R. Similarly for sin B is equal to B by 2R, sin C is equal to C by 2R. So by the note 2 what ma cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC, cos B is equal to C square plus A square minus B square divided by 2CA, cos C is equal to A square plus B square minus C square divided by 2AB. Okay girls, so what you will get if we substitute that, what you will get, P by P by 2A divided by R divided 2A divided by R into B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC 2 sin A cos A for sin A cos formula is there, no ma, that we are substituting here. So what we will get, 2A by 2R is equal to B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC is equal to Q divided by 2B by 2R A square plus C square minus B square divided by 2C. We are substituting here, nothing to be confused, only substituting the values what we have find. Then we are multiplying by 2r ABC by ABC on denominator. What we are doing, multiplying 2r ABC divided by ABC only on denominator. So what you will get, see, P divided by 2a by 2r, 2r b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc into 2r ABC divided by ABC. Likewise for Q, for R, we are multiplying 2r ABC divided by ABC. So what you will get, P by, if you cancelling 2 or everything, if you cancel, what you will get, P by A into A into A, B square plus C square minus A square divided by ABC. Likewise for Q and for R. Similarly, you are cancelling everything and you will get, what you will get, ma, P into ABC divided by a square into b square plus c square minus a square, like q into abc divided by b square into a square plus c square minus b square is equal to r divided by c square into a square plus b square minus c square. You divide by abc for our answer, for our convenient, and then you get the answer. So what divide by abc, we will get the answer, P divided by a square into b square plus c square minus a square is equal to q divided by b square into a square plus c square minus b square is equal to r divided by c square into a square plus b square minus c square. Hence P is to Q is to R is equal to the answer you have find. That is the proof. Hope you can understand, girls. If you have any doubt means you can ask. Next we will go for second problem. What the problem is that, if three forces acting along the bisection of angle ABC are in equilibrium, show that they are in ratio cos A by 2 is to cos B by 2 is to cos C by 2. You see the proof. When the internal bisector of triangle ABC meet at the center I, you see the diagram, center I, let the forces P, Q, R acting at IA, IB, IC, and given that the force are in equilibrium. So by Lami's theorem, see you diagram once you see, you can understand. See, for triangle ABC meet at the center I, PQR acting at IA, IB, IC. At center I. So what here? That what we have to prove, that in the ratio cos A by 2 is to cos B by 2 is to cos C by 2. Bisector. So only what bisector is cutting at bisector means A by 2, B by 2 and C by 2 you are getting. So by see, next you see the proof by Lami's theorem, P by sine, you know this, sin B by sine angle BIC is equal to Q divided by sine angle CIA is equal to R sine of angle AIB. You keep it as equation number 1. In triangle ABC, what sum of the three angle ma, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Divide this by 2. So what you will get, A plus B plus C divided by 2 is equal to 180 by 2. So what you will get, A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to 180 by 2 means 90. Next what, B by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to 90 minus A by 2. Just we are keeping for our convenience, see, B by 2, because we will substitute these values. So b by 2 plus c by 2 is equal to 90 minus a by 2. Likewise, a by 2 plus c by 2 is equal to 90 minus b by 2. A by 2 plus b by 2 is equal to 90 minus c by 2. Next, you see p by sine angle BIC. P by sine angle BIC. What you will get? P by sine 180 minus, you see the diagram, you will understand. For BIC, what you will get? B by 2 plus C by 2. So 180 minus B by 2 plus C by 2. You see the diagram, you can understand. For angle BIC, how you will get? B by 2 plus C by 2. So 180 minus, because sum of the angle is 180. So 180 minus b by 2 plus c by 2. So we will get p divided by sine of 180 minus, for p by 2, for b by 2 and c by 2, what your value are getting? 90 minus a by 2. So we will get p divided by sine of 180 minus 90 means 90. 90 minus into minus plus 90 plus a by 2. P divided by sine of 90 plus a by 2. So what you will get? P divided by sine of angle BIC is equal to P divided by cos A by 2, because sine 90 plus theta what ma? Sine, you write inside sine 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta. Like that, for sine 90 plus A by 2, cos A by 2. So what you are getting? Sin 90 plus a by 2 is equal to cos a by 2, because sin 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta. You are getting p divided by sin of angle BIC is equal to p by cos a by 2. Similarly, q by sin of angle CIA is equal to q divided by cos b by 2. Likewise, r divided by sin angle BAIB is equal to r divided by cos c by 2. Then equation 1, what it will happen? See, we will get p by cos a by 2 is equal to q by cos b by 2 is equal to r divided by cos c by 2. Therefore, the ratios of three forces is p is to q is to r is equal to cos a by 2 is to cos b by 2 is to cos c by 2. Understand, no girls? Two problems. Next, you see one third problem, last problem. It's also very easy. This is related to our first problem only. If I is the in center of triangle ABC, if the force IA, IB, IC act at I or in equilibrium, show that ABC is an equilibrium. See, for solution, by the theorem, we have forces P, Q, R. We are replacing is in IA, IB, IC respectively. Before theorem is like that only. So what you will get? We have the forces P, Q, R. We are replacing that IA, IB, IC. So what you will get? P by cos A by 2 is equal to Q by cos B by 2 is equal to R divided by cos C by 2. Here we are replacing PQR as IA, IB and IC. IA divided by cos A by 2 is equal to IB divided by cos B by 2 is equal to IC divided by cos C2. Keep it as equation number 1. If R is the ratio of the incenter of circle, then if R is the ratio, so what you will get? Formula sin A by 2. 1 by cos means what ma? Sin, no. So sin A by 2 is equal to, if for equation 1 only, you see IA divided by cos A by 2 is equal to IB divided by cos B by 2 is equal to IC divided by cos C by 2 equal to R you put. It's because R is the ratio for the circle, in center of circle. So what you will get? 1 by cos A by 2 means sin A by 2. So sin A by 2 divided by sin A by 2 divided by R divided by IA. Similarly, sin B by 2 is equal to R divided by IB, and sin C by 2 is equal to R divided by IC. So understand, no girls? So next what? Sin, we want answer for IA. So what you are doing? 1 by IA, IB, IC. We want the answer in IA, IB and C. We have to find the value for IA, IB and IC. So what you will get, 1 divided by sin A by 2 is equal to IA divided by R, 1 by sin B by 2 is equal to IB divided by R, and 1 by sin C by 2 is equal to IC divided by R. We are finding value for IA, IB and IC. So what we get, IA is equal to R by sin A by 2, IB is equal to R sin B by 2, and IC is equal to R sin C by 2. Substitute this value in equation 1. So what you will get, equation 1 what ma, IA divided by cos A by 2, IB divided by cos B by 2 is equal to IC divided by cos C by 2. Substitute this IA value means what you will get, R sin A by 2 divided by cos A by 2, R sin B by 2 divided by cos B by 2, and R sin C by 2 is equal to cos C by 2. R divided by sin A, sin A by 2 into cos A by 2, R divided by sin B by 2 cos B by 2, and is equal to R sin C by 2 cos C by 2. And we will multiply by 1 by 2. What you will get, you see, R divided by 2 into sin A by 2 cos A by 2, 2 sin R divided by 2 into sin B by 2 cos B by 2 is equal to R divided by 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2. What's the formula for 2 sin A cos A? Sin 2A. So what you will get, sin 2A means sin 2A divided by 2 you will get. Likewise, R divided by 2 sin 2B divided by 2 is equal to R sin 2C divided by 2. So if you cancel 2 you will get R by sin A is equal to, here formula what ma, 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A formula what, sin 2A. So what you will get here, if you what angle you have, A by 2. So what you will get, sin 2A divided by 2, sin 2B divided by 2, sin 2C divided by 2. If you cancel 2 means you will get sin A, sin B and sin C. That is R by sin A is equal to R by sin B is equal to R by sin C. Here R by sin A means IA, IB, IC. Therefore IA is equal to IB is equal to IC. Therefore triangle ABC is an equilibrium. Enough girls. Hope you will understand. If you have any doubt means you can ask in our comment box or in a group. Thank you girls. Next problems we'll see in next class, next video.